So what we want to do to hold the knife is make a V, right here, right? You see this V? And you put the knife right in here on this portion. You put your hands in here. You don't extend your finger. Two things. You actually have less control. People think they have more control when they extend your finger, but you actually have less control, right? Because you activate this muscle right here and you restrict the amount of the degree that your hand can go back and forth. When you bring it down here, you've got complete control of the knife. You can move it up and down, back and forth, but you're doing it with your arm, right, in your hand, not with just the muscles right here. Now, this is the holding hand. This is the helper hand. Now, as we'll see, they each have their own job as we get into it. The holding hand holds it one way, right? The helper hand will get into a claw position most of the time when you're cutting things up, because you want to put the blade of the knife against your finger here, right? Because it takes the fingers out of the cutting area, right? When you stick your fingers out like this, you're going to cut them. You get sloppy, you're going to cut them. Just think claw. If you just think cut and claw, right? Holder, helper, cut, and claw.